Okay, so what is the difference between this patent agent and patent attorney? When we are dealing with a patent, I have already clarified that there are three different things, that is a sections you can say. Patent analytics, second is a drafting and prosecution, and third, that is a patent litigation. Now this patent analytics part is there. For that you will not require any law background or no patent agent examination. If you are having science and technology background, you can be a good patent analytics if you do the practice in that area. So that is a patent analytics part. The second, that is a middle one, what we are talking about, a drafting and prosecution. Here it is compulsory that you should clear patent agent examination, which is conducted by Patent Office of India. That is a compulsory. Without that you cannot practice drafting and prosecution part. Okay, that is a second. The third thing, that is a litigation part is there. For the litigation, obviously you will require a law background, but not necessary that you should have a patent agent qualification, because when you are doing a litigation, you are working in a court of law. When you are a patent agent, you are working with the patent office. So for patent office, patent agent examination is must. For court of law, obviously LLB and the bar examination is compulsory. You have to qualify. You should be you should have that law degree, and you should have qualified that bar examination. Unless until that qualification is there, you will not able to practice in a court of law. So this is what the patent attorney, when we say lawyer and patent attorney, generally the minor difference is that you may have a law degree, but you may not have qualified a bar examination. That again the important thing is there. So you can now understand that what is that patent agent is there, what is who is like a patent attorney is there, who can do a patent analytics. Now moving further, we will see in this module what I will do, that to avoid all this confusion about patent agent, patent analyst and patent attorney or patent lawyer, okay, all these terms that will come. I will use a simple term, that is a one term, that is a patent expert. He may be patent analyst, he may be a patent agent, he may be a patent attorney, he may be a patent lawyer. Okay. So I will just say a patent expert here. Now, so patent expert, he or she is the one who will determine whether your invention is patentable. That is the most important thing. He or she will help you to obtain appropriate patent protection for your invention. Appropriate in a sense that whatever your invention is there, everything is covered in the patent document, claims are drafted accordingly, and complete protection is provided to your invention. Also, he or she will help you to create path for commercialization, which may be in any mode, as licensing, entrepreneurship, collaboration, anything. In one of the module, that is we have dedicated one module on the commercialization. Then for patentability, we have dedicated module in week 2. For patent filing and process, we have dedicated modules in week 5 and week 6, right. This commercialization module is in week 8. So you can visit that thing to get idea about these particular aspects. But it is expected that he will or she will help you in the whole process, right from that idea stage to commercialization stage. He may be expert in one of the area, but at least he or she will guide you that okay, for commercialization what exactly can be done, or he should think, it is rather expected that he or she should think thoroughly when he is filing a patent, he is drafting a patent, he should think all this area, like right from that first thing to that commercialization, all aspects should be taken into consideration, and that will be considered when claim drafting is done. That will help you to give the wholesome complete protection of your invention, because many times what happens, you think in one direction only. It is a duty of attorney to ask you question. Patent expert will ask you a question that will trigger a thought process in your mind, and you will start thinking, oh, my application, I was just thinking in this area only. Now this can be the area which I can explore, and this is applicable to that also. So that kind of what we can say a thought process should be initiated by a patent expert. That is important, right? So you have now a good idea about the subject, right? About a patent and all kind of procedures and forms and filing and all these tools, everything you know now. This filing process, it is starting from generation, protection and commercialization.